everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and we have a white box. Woo! Don't worry, there is fabulous color inside. Woo! Are you guys ready to see what is in this white box? Who puts their diamond paintings in a white box? Let's open up and see. But you guys already know because I cheated and I put it in the thumbnail. Oh, goodness gracious. I spoil. You guys ready? Woo! Treasure Studios art. Do. And why they put it in a box is for shipping purposes. That way your box is nice and strong and sturdy because evidently our postal systems overseas connecting to domestic don't like boxes. So here we go. In this box is beautiful. It gives you how to diamond paint. It's got beautiful foil on it. But let's get inside because that's what we really want to know. Being that it is Halloween time, I had to get one of the new diamond paintings from Treasure Studios Art. And this is what it is. And I've been waiting to open it. They do, it looks like poured glue, but it's a mounted glue. So it is laying on top. Let me crinkle for a minute. There we go. So it is a glue that lays on top of your canvas, but it's nothing like double-sided adhesive. It's actually meant to be used in difficult places like automobiles and should not yellow if that's what it's geared towards. So I love how they have this beautiful, non-obtrusive way of letting you know that it is a diamond art kit by Treasure Studios Art, and they have We Create Magic. Oh boy, do they. I got a Lizzy Falcon. Look how cute the little black lad is. And the pumpkin. I love the hair. Thank you so much, Lizzy. This is I chose the 40 by 80 size, and it's called My Black Cat by Lizzy Falcon. Okay, so it does come with their logo branded bag, and in here you get your single placer, which has a I almost said beeswax. My brain is blah. It has a plastic single place tip. It comes with a nice thin placer. Let's just open it up. 4-place thin placer, and then it also comes with the pink tweezers. They're blunt tweezers. And what blunt means is like they're really good for rounds. And then they, like I said, they have the thin placers, both in 4-place and then I think this is a 7-placer. Yep, 7-placer. Then you get the squishy to go on your pen. Oop. Oh, I hit you guys. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Okay, and then their trills come packaged already in baggies. So if you do not have storage, not a problem. You can work right out of the baggies. I'm going to open this up for just a minute. All right, so you have your colored inventory sheets. Gives you the symbols, gives you your DMC colors, and roughly the quantity that you need for the painting, not the quantity you receive. She does put in more drills so that if you have a small spill, something like that, you're okay. I love how over here it gives you the size and what it is and whether you chose round or square. And then if you have any need for customer service, it's all there. They also want to make sure that you check all the colors so that they can help you out. And here's the little Lizzy painting. So cute. So cute. They did change the rounds, so now it's your standard round that we're used to getting. Before they were smaller, but the factory's changed, and the rounds are in great shape. I just got finished working on something with the new rounds and really enjoyed it. I will go through and make sure all the colors are there, and if anything's missing, I'll let you know. Okay, so let's see this baby. Here we go. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. And Lizzy, it's green. I love the color green. I think that's why I gravitated towards this. This is a good size because you're getting some details, but it's not going to be like horrible. Horrible meaning a long time to do. You could get this up and running. I'm really excited to be able to bling out the pumpkin, make it really pop, add some purple bling in her hair. The cat I will probably leave as is, but maybe some in the eyes, we will see. I'm really excited to do this, especially during the Halloween time. I'm not really into witches and goblins. She's got some great other Halloween choices, and they're gorgeous. They're absolutely beautiful, but I'm not into doing those. So that's why I chose this one, and I loved the hair curl and the green in it. It was absolutely fabulous, and I am decorating in pumpkins this year. I love pumpkins as decor, so that's what drew me to this as well. Like I said, it's mounted glue, so it's going to be nice and sticky. She did update the canvas quality as well. You also have your key in the upper left and the bottom right. It's great. It's absolutely fantastic. And then you can see here, the symbols are very clear. Oh, there's a rated R symbol there. Yes, so they're very clear. Absolutely love it. So thank you so much, Peter and Rachel over at Treasure Studios Arts, TSA. Thank you, Lizzy, for sharing your art with us. You are fantastic. I hope you will come back on my channel and we can chew the fat together. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy this boxing. I hope you enjoy #DP Monster Mash. Pick your favorite fall or Halloween painting and paint along with Rebecca and I over at Craft and Journey and DP Addiction Adventures. So until next time, be blessed, take care, love you all, bye-bye.